Something went wrong while trying to find your game. Please try again. Error code 1017 on Battlefront 2. So it's me, T1. In this video, we want to fix this issue. I found some solutions on the internet, and here they are. I don't have Xbox or PlayStation right now, so I'm gonna just tell you what you should do using this text. So the first thing that probably causes the problem is ddos, distributed denial of service attack, which is basically not your problem. Yeah, it's some kind of cybercrime or some, and it's by pirates. And the other thing is cache data is causing the issue on the console. So all you have to do is to clear your cache or corrupt the installation. You have to reinstall it, but keep that for the last solution. Try the other things first. Or IP configuration problems. So yeah, every device has IP address, and maybe yours is wrong and is dynamic. Change it to static. UPnP is enabled, so if it's causing the problem, disable it. Unstable default DNS. So if you have this unstable default DNS, you have to get a stable DNS like Google's one, 888.8844. Anyways, that's it. I hope this helps, and enjoy your game.